beautiful these plants look.
Mm-hmm. Good morning. Nasa mama.
Okay.
Look at the baby boys.
Flowers.
Look at the little boys. Oh. Yeah, we had a lot of rain last night. A lot of rain.
Last night.
Yeah. Got a little tomato. Oh, I gotta show that to that guy I was talking to on Threads. So you saw what I just posted with the clear sky. It's like maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes later. And now look at the sky, full of clouds. I think we're gonna get more rain. Okay, baby.
All right, so this is the self-cleaning part. Yeah, I gotta turn it up. This is the how strong you want it. Self-cleaning at the toilet? No, the machine. So the machine has its clean because it's if you poop and it's explosive, it needs to get clean. Okay? So let's turn it down. And then you press the off button, right? To stop it. And this this is called the balls cleaner, but it's your bum cleaner.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, because no one's sitting there. That's why.
Yeah. And then this is the vajayjay cleaner.
It's still doing the same.
Well, you could turn it down. Let's see what it does turning down. Oh. So that's it.
Getting everything wet here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. You want to send